Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. For the past several months in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you this very big falling wedge pattern that Bitcoin formed on a weekly time frame chart. And in almost every video, I've been telling you that once Bitcoin will be able to break out this wedge, that will be a very big signal that Bitcoin is bottomed out and this long-term downtrend will be finished. And I've been telling you in my almost every video that target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge, that will be approximately at $70,000. Let me show you what I have been telling you in my previous videos.
Now, the final target, the technical target can be here for this breakout from the falling wedge pattern, that is approximately from $68,000 to $70,000.
And now you can see finally we broke out the wedge here in the month of January 2023, and after that the price has rallied very well, and it rallied up to $73,794. And if I place this measurement tool from this low when we were testing the support of the wedge here, last time we were testing the support here, by the way, in the month of November 2022, up till this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 376%. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then recently it has formed another symmetrical triangle. And now the movement is again getting squeezed inside this symmetrical triangle. Recently, after this drop, you can see when the price end got rejected by the resistance, drop down at the support of this triangle, and now it has bounced very well. And if it will be read the resistance of this triangle, then it can hit the triangle, this resistance somewhere here, approximately at $70,400. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you these two very significant support zones. One starts from $64,780 and goes to $60,365. You can see that for the past several weeks or days since after, by the way, 1st of March 2024. You can see that it is breaking as a very nice support. We have tested the support here, here, and here. And recently, you can see that we had just a spike inside this support zone that is showing us the weakness of bears inside this area. And before that, we had this very strong resistance zone that starts from $48,325 and goes to $53,000. And now it can work as a very strong support zone in case the price end breaks down this support zone that starts from $64,780 and goes to $60,365. And we will also want these support zones as well. And I would also like to show you some channel analysis as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Shiba Inu, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 12th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button. And after clicking this play button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And this is the 7 days time frame chart, this one. And this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos. And I've been telling you that once Bitcoin will be able to break out this wedge, then this long-term downtrend will be finished. And when it broke it out here in the month of January 2023, in those days, I told you that now Bitcoin is bottomed out, and now there is a very high probability that soon it may hit the target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And that target is here at the top of the wedge, that can be between $68,000 to $70,000. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And during this rally, the price line has broken out so many significant resistance levels. But this one was the most significant resistance. That was the Ichimoku bearish cloud. And when we broke it out here in the month of October 2023, at that time, I shared another video with you, and I told you that now this bearish cloud, Ichimoku bearish cloud, has been broken out, and now it can work as a very strong and long-term support for the price, and it can also lift the price into the upside. And you can see that after breaking out this wedge, it turned even more bullish. And if I place this measurement tool, then you can see that after breaking out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, it rallied almost 171%. Now, recently, on a daily time frame chart, you can see that we have this formation of the symmetrical triangle. This is, in fact, a bullish continuation pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. At the same time, you can see that Bitcoin for the past several days is testing this very, very long-term support zone, very strong support zone that starts from $64,780 and goes to $60,365. And you can see whenever it is moving down inside this support zone, then we are watching nice bounces. And this time you can see we had a spike inside this support zone that is also showing the weakness of bears inside this support zone. And we also have this up trend line support of this symmetrical triangle as well. And you can see that whenever the price line is dropping down at this uptrend line support, it is getting bounced very well. And this is the recent bounce that was happening here on 13th of April 2024. And now the price line is moving towards the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. If we take a look at the chain analysis to watch a Bitcoin supply to the exchanges, then we can see that the supply of Bitcoins to exchanges is getting decreased now. The highest supply we had here in the last 30 days, that was more than 63,000 Bitcoins in single day. Therefore, in order to break down the support, we at least need a supply equal to this one that was more than 63,000 Bitcoins in a single day. If we will have such supply, then there will be a probability that the price line may break down this support zone and it may drop down to the next support zone. And this is about a very, very significant support zone that starts from 53,000 and goes to $48,325. If it will be broken down, then I'm expecting a very, very long-term downtrend, or at least a very, very long-term sideways move after breaking it down. And so far, so good. The price line did not break down this support zone. And now the Bitcoin supply to the exchanges is also quite decreased. Therefore, there is a probability that we may see a big move to the upside if Bitcoin breaks out this triangle. And now if we take a look at the target for this expected breakout, then target to the upside can be here. That will be, for example, if it will break it out from here, you can see that here we also found another horizontal resistance as well. That is at $72,756,000. $72,756,000. And you can see whenever the price line is moving here, it is getting rejected. And in case of breaking out this triangle, the price line can also break out this quite strong resistance as well. And for example, if we will break it out from here, then target can be approximately at $85,900. And in case of breaking down the support of the triangle, it can drop down at this long-term support zone, and the target to the downside can be approximately at $50,148. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.